Today on What It Looks Like, we are going to try Velveeta Skillets one-pan dinner kits Philly Cheesesteak Style. Here's what it looks like on the box. And that looks really, really good. Now, it's kind of similar to Hamburger Helper, which I've not done a review of Hamburger Helper, but we've tried it plenty of times. I mean, growing up, that's all you would eat. Well, not all, but we were having quite a bit Hamburger Helper. Now, I did try a Bird's Eye Voila cheeseburger skillet meal, and that one, I don't know about that one. I'll put a link up here. You can check that one out. But today is all about Velveeta Skillets, so we're going to try it out on what it looks like. And as always, I will show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started with Velveeta Skillets one-pan dinner kits Philly Cheesesteak Style on what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Okay, now it's time to add in our 1 pound of ground turkey. Now it calls for ground beef, but I really prefer to use ground turkey. Now I really like using these red utensils, these silicone utensils. I have a set in black and a set in red. And I primarily use the red one when I'm cooking with meat. These are fantastic because they will not damage the non-stick cookware that you're cooking with. So definitely recommend getting a set of these right here, especially one set in black and one set in red for your meat. Another tool I recommend is this meat chopper. This really does a good job. See how there's big chunks of meat in there? This really helps to separate it, makes it so that you don't have big chunks of ground beef or ground turkey in your meal. So this does a really good job. All right, let's open her up. That was hard. So what do we have in the box? We've got our noodles with some type of black stuff in there. I don't know what that is. It's some seasonings there. All right. And then we have a Velveeta white cheese sauce and a super hard pack of seasoning, Philly cheesesteak seasoning. Okay, so next we drain the fat and then we add 2 cups of water. And then we add our pasta and then our seasoning. Now it's time to use the black silicone utensil because I'm no longer cooking with raw meat. Get this all stirred up in here. Not sure if we have enough seasoning. That little packet, it was all hard. I don't know if it's going to be enough. So I didn't add any seasoning to the meat itself because the instructions did not say to do so. So I'm hoping it's not going to be bland. Okay, next we're going to cover and bring it to a boil. Okay, now our 9 minutes are up. Time to stir it up a little bit, and then we're going to add in our cheese sauce. Is this white cheese sauce? We'll get all of it out of there. I'm gonna stir it all up. I feel like I could use 2 packs of cheese actually. One thing in here, you don't really see the peppers like they show in the box. Like those little black specks that we saw in the pasta was the peppers. And there's a piece here, I don't know how well you can see that, but it is not green at all. It's actually pretty cheesy. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. About 5 servings per container. Serving size, 2.5 ounces. Calories, 220. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 2 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 10 milligrams. Sodium, 770 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 30 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 4 grams. Protein, 8 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is not really close to the way it looks on the box. Like on the box, the sauce looks really creamy. It also looks white with little pepper flakes in there. Now you don't really see the pepper flakes in the sauce really at all. And it doesn't look as creamy as it did. Now maybe because it, once it starts to sit, it thickens up. But here on the box, it definitely looks creamy. Now I wasn't sure where the peppers were coming from, but in the beginning, the peppers were those little black spots that were inside with the pasta. And you can see one of the peppers here. Like that's a pepper, supposedly. But it doesn't look the same as what you see on the box. Like the box, it is really, really green, whereas here it's sort of black. See how the peppers, now the peppers on the box, I think they actually took the peppers and cut them fresh. They weren't dried up like you saw in the package there. Other than that, the noodles look pretty much the same as what you saw in the box, but it's really, really thick and creamy, which I guess is not a bad thing compared to the box. But the box, look at how they have the little sauce dripping off the side of the pan there. So definitely make it look appetizing for sure. But I'm not disappointed too bad, but I am disappointed with the peppers. The peppers don't look anything like the box at all. All right, what it smells like. Ooh, that smells pretty good. It smells like a box meal though. You can smell like the seasoning and everything, but it doesn't smell like it's authentic seasoning. It smells like it's sort of processed. Yeah, but it smells pretty decent. Now, as far as a Philly cheesesteak smell, no, not at all. But it smells almost like Hamburger Helper, to be honest. But it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't have an overwhelming smell to it at all, but it's not bad. It's not bad. What it tastes like. Now I got a pretty good helping right here. Let's see what it's gonna be. It is cheesy for sure. It is like really thick. It has pretty good flavor, even though we added no additional seasoning whatsoever. I like it. It does not remind me of a Philly cheesesteak at all though. Actually, hang on. I'm gonna take that back a little bit. The cheese sauce it is a little reminiscent of a Philly cheesesteak, so I do take that back. Now the peppers, I don't know what's up with the peppers. You can't taste a pepper at all. I'm just gonna eat just 2 little peppers by themselves. See if I can even taste some flavor. Okay. Actually, I do taste the flavor. It's so weird. But they don't look like peppers at all, but they do taste like it. So overall, hey, this is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. I think I like it better for sure, the Bird's Eye Raw cheeseburger one. Oh my God, that one, you gotta watch the video for that one. And as far as Hamburger Helper, it's pretty close. Like I grew up on Hamburger Helper. I didn't grow up on Velveeta Skillets 1-pan dinner meals. I didn't grow up on this. So it's not really reminiscent for me, but I do like it. I do like it. And I think it tastes good. So I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like.
Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 7. Next up is taste. 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. And a 6. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product that you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will try it and show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.